Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix a network cable is not properly plugged in or may be broken detected error windows. Click Start, Settings. Click Update and Security. Click Troubleshoot. Click Additional Troubleshooters. Click Internet Connections. Click Run the Troubleshooter. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. IP, config, /flush, DNS. NetSH, INT, IP, reset. Type exit from command prompt. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.